Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, could revolutionize the way we educate? This intriguing technology is not here to replace our traditional teaching methods, but rather, to enhance them. Imagine a world where learning is not a one-size-fits-all model, but a tailored experience that adapts to each individual's needs and pace. This is where AI steps in, with its ability to personalize learning for every student. Moreover, AI can provide virtual tutoring, offering educational assistance around the clock. Whether you're grappling with algebra at midnight or exploring the complexities of Shakespeare at dawn, AI is there to guide you. It can identify where you're struggling and provide targeted, effective feedback to help you improve. AI is not just a tool, it's a dynamic ally in the realm of education, transforming the way we learn, teach, and interact with knowledge. So, let's dive into a case study to better understand the benefits of AI in education. Consider the case of an American middle school that implemented an AI-powered learning platform. This platform is more than just a digital textbook. It's a dynamic, interactive tool that personalizes the learning journey for each student. It's like having a personal tutor for every child, one that adapts to their unique learning pace and style. The platform can pinpoint areas where a student struggles and provide tailored reinforcement, while also recognizing their strengths and encouraging further development. It provides real-time feedback, giving students a clear understanding of their progress and areas for improvement. Teachers too benefit from detailed insights into their students' performance, allowing them to better support their learning needs. Since implementing this AI-powered platform, the school has reported significant improvements in student performance and engagement. This case study illustrates how AI can enhance education, but what does this mean for the broader impact of AI on education? AI's potential impact on education extends beyond individual classrooms or schools. Imagine a world where every student, regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic status, has access to personalized learning. This is the promise that AI brings to education. By harnessing the power of AI, we can tailor educational content to meet the unique needs of each student, helping them to learn at their own pace and in their own way. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data can also help educators identify and address learning gaps more effectively. However, this brave new world of AI-assisted learning is not without its challenges. Data privacy concerns are paramount, and it is imperative that we address these issues head-on as we integrate AI into our educational systems. As we continue to explore the power of AI, the possibilities for enhancing education are vast and exciting.